That was the Hot Springs Canyon Trail in Montecito, California. It was a pretty smooth 4-hour drive to Montecito coming down 101 from Monterey. We left around 4 a.m. and got there around 8. When we got there, the puny but free parking lot was full. Trust me when I say puny, I'd know. The parking spot you saw in the beginning wasn't actually where I parked. A very kind resident came out to tell us that we'd get towed if we stayed there, and explained where to actually park. So this is the 10 or so spot lot, and this is where I was. So you can park in this lot, of course, which is where I ended up parking after like 30 minutes. But it's okay because my friend Taylor was finishing up some homework and submitted it right before we left. Then there are places along this road that you have to drive over the curve and into the dirt where you can park. But there are some spots that cars like mine wouldn't be able to make. We went on a Friday and it was full by 8 a.m. so you should definitely plan accordingly. I was just relieved that people were leaving around that time. This is rated as moderate and I agree, but more on the easier side of moderate. If you're a beginner hiker, just go at your own pace and you should be able to make it. I would definitely say that I liked this side of the trail better than the other side. This side was much more open and had better views. Yes, the other side has a waterfall, but I didn't find it too special. We took this side going back. It can get really hot out there, so I'd try to visit during a cooler time of the year or day. It was mid to high 60s when we were at the hot springs, and it was nice, but with that temperature and after hiking, it would have been even better if we went when it was cooler earlier that morning or at night. There were like 5 hot springs with the one at the top being the hottest. I was only able to sit at the top hot spring for like 15 seconds until I had to get out. That's about it for the tips. Now time for some mediocre vlogs vlog footage. And don't worry, the vlogging will get better. And here are the delicious burgers we had post-hike. We actually hiked another trail right after the hot springs that I'll be posting next. This was the room, and this was actually shot the next day that we left. I really didn't get any footage the night after we hiked. We were so exhausted after the hikes that we just took naps, then ended up going out for more food and exploring downtown Santa Barbara. I haven't been in the area for a while, so it was nice visiting again, and I definitely want to go back soon. Then we went to the beach for a little bit before checking out of the hotel.
So we're staying at this hotel here, and right across the street is the beach.
I swear, being in that cold water was magical. I went in for a third time and just floated on my back. The water was so calm that I didn't have to worry about getting splashed in the face by any waves. I swear those type of moments just floating in the water are the best.
It's kind of chilly right now. I feel a little cold.
A little chilly?
It's nice. It'll heat up in a little bit, but we won't be here.
And after this, we went to get food and then dipped back to Monterey. It was a fun little trip with the homie Taylor.
We survived, we made it. Go ahead and push the like button, subscribe, hit the bell. Leave a comment if you can, even if it's just a cool story, bro. It's good for the algorithm. See you guys, peace.
Alright, that's all for now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for more of my travel content. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed it, and share it with someone you think would be interested in my content. I have all of my gear linked down below, in case you're interested in the equipment I'm currently using. And last but not least, a very special thanks to all my subscribers, and everybody else that likes, comments, and shares my videos. You all are the very best. It's honestly good to know that people appreciate the hard work I put into these videos. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
So this is what those girls were saying.